It's like white out. You can't even see the end of the street.
More than a foot of snow is likely to fall across eastern Idaho's high plains as an atmospheric river arrives in the region Wednesday evening. The snow will fall after a weakening Christmas Day weather system that is expected to bring an inch or two of snow as well as rain to eastern Idaho. The National Weather Service has issued a winter storm warning for the first wave of precipitation from the atmospheric river. To Friday afternoon in areas such as Almo, Grace, Bancroft, Island Park, Bone, Henry, Albion, Tetonia, Soda Springs, Millard, St. Charles, Palisades, Swan Valley and several other areas. Several videos circulating on social media can be seen showing the seconds when extreme storms hit a number of areas in Idaho since last Wednesday.
This was totally unexpected.
Snow is coming down in our neighborhood. It's like white out. You can't even see the end of the street. Oh, isn't that pretty? Oh, it's so...
Alright guys, stay warm. If you guys are somewhere warm, enjoy it while it lasts.
The Weather Service says 8 to 16 inches of snow could fall during this first round starting Wednesday evening. The higher mountains in eastern Idaho could receive up to 2 feet of snow Wednesday night through Friday afternoon, depending on the severity of the atmospheric river. The atmospheric river is expected to continue bringing rainfall to eastern Idaho through at least Monday and potentially through the end of the month.
Hey, boo. Yeah, exactly.
Too much snow.
Chip busted like that.
Mommy, how much snow?
Mr. Beef here, out giving the evening feed to my yearlings and checking on them.
Yeah. This was totally unexpected.